We're here today at Bromley Place in the city centre of Nottingham. Today represents the topping out of the project in that we've now achieved completion of the superstructure. The team gather, collect as one to appreciate and celebrate the fact that we've made this landmark on time, on programme. Great achievement.
We've taken an old Argos building, we've levelled the 1970s warehouse area down to the ground. We've had to work through and around caves in the ground. We've had to work through past construction works while retaining an 1880s facade, so keeping it on the high street of Nottingham. We're now going to go through the process of completely refitting that space into a mix of communal spaces, commercial spaces and student accommodation.
Competition in Nottingham in terms of student accommodation is really fierce. And I think having a property in the city centre in such a central location is going to be great for our students.
This will represent the first postgraduate targeted scheme for Unite students for some time. It will consist of 271 bedrooms which are made up of 120 cluster bedrooms with 151 studios.